Hey, yo, it's Chriso from Queensland. Just sweating a bit. From Queensland, Australia. Remember me saying yesterday in a video that you must always start there and work that way. Well, I explained yesterday the reason for it is I'm going from that tile to nothing, if you dig what I mean. It's not a good idea to start that end and then end up with your last tile there. No, you should always, it's a little secret that I'm trying to get into you DIYs, is always start at your... Hey, yo, it's Chriso. I've been having a little bit of trouble with my camera today. It's been wanting to, it's had a mind of its own. Anyway, what I was saying before, and what I did over at where the fridge was in the kitchen, you must always start from your tile and go to the wall, if you understand what I mean. If you started there, you could be up too high or down too low to get into that tile. That's why you always start from that tile, work to the wall. That's all I wanted to say. It's been a great day today. We've been banging these cuts in. I've got to sweep up and clean up yet. I want to do a few more tiles. Here I noticed I had a couple of tiles just here. I had a couple of tiles that were, how I don't know, but a little high, so I laid them yesterday, so I took them out before, while the glue is still green, so they're easy to take out, scrape the glue up, and I relaid them. It was two tiles. I don't know how I laid them a little bit high, but anyway, it didn't feel right, so that was it. So soon, when I've used up my glue, I'll have a bit of a clean up, bit of a sweep up, and call it a day. Have a bit of a break over the weekend. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. We'll see ya. Bye.